Okay, so I have no idea what happened on the last one, but all of a sudden it just stopped recording and cut it off. So I don't know. So we'll start over with this last question right here. So with this one right here, you can clearly see that this right here doesn't have anything attached to it. So if it doesn't have anything attached to it, it's going to be plus 0. So like we would have x plus 0 squared, because that doesn't change it, right? So that means that my center is at 0, -1. Okay? So we're going to go to 0, -1. And then to find our vertices and find our co-vertices, we have to square root both of these numbers on our denominator here. So here the square root of 49 is 7, and the square root of 16 is 4. Okay? So the 7, the 49, the larger number is underneath the x. So that means I'm going horizontally 7 from my center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going left and right 7, plus or minus a, away from my center. And then here, I'm going to go plus or minus 4, up and down, because that's on my y. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So my vertices, those are going to be located at plus and minus 6 and -1. My co-vertices, those are going to be located at 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 and 3, and 0 and -5. Okay? To find my foci, I've got to find c squared, which means I'm going to go 49 minus 16, which 49 minus 16, that's going to get me 33. So my c is equal to the square root of 33. I can't reduce that. 33 is a prime number, which means it's not divisible by anything but itself and 1. So I cannot reduce that at all, so it stays the same. So then I come up here and I look. My vertices are changing along my x-axis. My larger one is right here. If I compare, these numbers are different. These numbers are the same. So I'm going to take that square root of 33 and I'm going to add it and subtract it from my x-coordinate and my 0. So that's 0. Do I need to write 0 plus and minus square root 33? No. I can just write plus or minus square root 33. The 0, that's redundant. I don't need to do that. If you do it, I won't count off. It just looks really weird. Okay? So here's what we've got. So then we're going to graph that. The square root of 33 is 5.74. So that means from my center, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.74. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.74. Okay? And then I'm going to draw my ellipse. By all means, I challenge you guys to draw it better on this stupid little sketch pad. All right. So that should conclude everything. If you have any questions about anything you saw, rewatch it, try again. If you still have questions, send me a message on Remind or come to me during second period, okay? All right.